Hello, everybody. We're gonna do a Charlie's Inferno voiceover, and anyway. Hello, Charlie. You can tell it's him because we put his name on the stone. He kept this outside cold. He's like eco-friendly labels. He roasts his go to work when the gasoline price rose. Fish on the weekends, each morning get up and do the Pledge of Allegiance. Never swim in the ocean for fear of attacks. And bio like a rose with a cut attached. Avoiding all the little things that were hard to ask. I had a crash, cardiac arrest, died of a heart attack. Golden escalator, all of us and neighbors harder than a prayer around the respirator. Talk to you later. Man upstairs, they all look like ants from here. And stars and chandeliers. There was the angel at the entrance, taking off the guest list. Charlie wasn't on it and ushered to the exit. His heart sank. He was breathless. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you confuse me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I go to church on Sunday, truly using more. Scream me out the angel as they push him through the doors. Excuse me, sure, there must be someone you confuse me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I'd go to church on Sunday, truly using more. Screaming out the angels as they push him through the door. Abandon all hope, all ye who are there. It was a full and horrifying sign, but it sounded like a needed pleasure, far beyond the halos and the cattle in the clouds. I squealing with shackles and apples in the mouth. Attentions torture with the products on the shadow world. Here we buy some a million kinds of her imagination, living to the devil's clientele. Big will save you, save from the pain. Smell later, fight for the day, but you know the devil, he loves a good chase. There's a demon hunting actions, making exits from the deskless. He would kick you in the ass if you begged him for a purchase. 10,000 sentences that Charlie's heart sang, he was breathless. Excuse me, sir, someone you confuse me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before, screaming at the demons as they push him through the door. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you confuse me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you heard that tune before, screaming at the demons as they push him through the door. You can run from your demons until you are exhausted. One day you will have to stop and find out what was that one day. You're running from the demons until you are exhausted. You can run from your angels until you are exhausted. One day you'll have to stop and ask question what they wanted. Keep running from those angels until you are exhausted. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you confuse me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you confuse me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before. Yeah, that was the really sorry for the mess ups. You know, I've not really done this before, so yeah, just gonna upload this now. Don't mind the mess ups in the future if I decide to do the other one. Yeah, sorry for the mess ups, and bye.